the iconic fuselage of the RV-10, a symbol of excellence in experimental aviation. Now, combined not with one, but with two Rotax 915IS engines. You must be wondering, what can we do with this combination? Remember that two 915s are lighter than one IO 540. They are more powerful than the IO 540 used in the RV-10, which has 260 horsepower. Two Rotax propellers are lighter than one Hartzell. They are cheaper than a single Lycoming. They consume less fuel than a single Lycoming. They offer the advantage of engine redundancy. They have turbochargers that maintain power at higher altitudes. They have FADEC engine management control, which reduces the pilot's workload. Option number 1, the Macchi configuration. Two engines in tandem at the front, inspired by the legendary Italian racing plane, the Macchi MC-72. In 1934, this design set a world speed record and still holds the speed record today in the seaplane class. It's a bold, compact design made for performance. And we have option number 2, the Pfeil, which in English means arrow. One engine at the front, another at the back, a push-pull configuration. Inspired by the Luftwaffe's Dornier 335, this design offers less drag and more efficiency, having been the fastest piston fighter of World War II. In both option 1 and option 2, we have cleaner aerodynamics than in the classic twin-engine mode. But you will have to solve engineering issues. In both configurations, in case of failure of one of the engines, it requires less work from the pilot on the rudder trim, as the engines are aligned with the aircraft's axis. Two designs. Inspired by two aviation legends, one fuselage, two engines. Which would you choose?